Hi guys. This is the application I have been working on that is a news app. I'm using a free API as well. So I want to show it to you a prototype first. You see there is a bottom bar functionality as well and along with tab bar. And I've also added a shimmer functionality in this. So you see I have added this sub tab bar functionality as well. So I want to show it to you. This is a prototype I'm working on. So like if you want me to add more advanced features in this, do let me know in comment. And in this, we are following the complete MEVM structure. And for state management, I'm using the GetX package. So let me show you first, like we are using this view structure for screens, complete screens for UI, right? Then we have this route. We are using the GetX route. Then we have this view model basically our GetX controllers. We have all our controllers here. Then we have our like data here, which is like repository. All this from our controller. Then we have our service provider. We are using this free API. So I want you to like comment if you want me to add more functionalities in this, like side menu, search functionality, or anything you want me to add in this. So I will be like posting this video, so do let me know in comment, so that I can add these features as well, and then upload a complete tutorial for you guys. Yeah, thank you.